Have you ever wanted to see an active volcano? Well, just one day before our flight to Iceland, a brand new volcano erupted. And today's the day we finally get to see one for ourselves. I'm Hayden, and this is Sophie. And we're traveling Iceland over 9 days. Join us as we experience our very first volcano.
We planned a trip to Iceland a couple months ago, and we're super disappointed that the volcano last year stopped. And in the past week, there have been constant earthquakes in Iceland, and we started to get worried that our flight might get canceled. But sure enough, just yesterday or the day before, a new volcano has erupted. So that will be our first stop upon arrival in Iceland tomorrow morning.
Super excited, lots of lava.
Alrighty, so our flight is in 3 hours, so we will catch you there. Finally landed in Iceland. Got off the plane. We had to wait like 3 hours to eventually get our camper van. We are renting from
Camper van Reykjavik.
Issue with this one is the gear shift is stiff, to say the least. So it's gonna take some getting used to.
I'm starting the drive. So far, I forgot about the parking brake, but we'll remember next time. I made it to the grocery store, or we did, called Bonus, with the little piggy right there. It is very small, not much selection, no fresh fruit except for bananas, and no fresh vegetables. So now we are off to the volcano next. It should be about a 25-minute drive. Hopefully that goes well. It's raining a little bit, but not bad weather at all. And yeah, excited to see the lava soon. Hey everybody, so now we are getting packed for our volcano trek. Got my zoomy lens ready to go. Got our rain gear on. Got our awesome raincoats all packed up. Definitely rain pants. It's packed, as you can see. Ton of cars. The weather's holding up. Currently not raining on us. Looks like it's raining over there, so hopefully it's not terrible. And super excited to see the lava soon. Yay! Erupting a bunch, and it wasn't down here at all before, but now the lava has come all the way down. You can see a bunch of people there. They basically almost touching it. We unfortunately melted part of the drone, especially the battery, but the drone is still functional and hopefully maybe functional, and we hopefully saved the footage. And we have about a 2-hour hike back, lots of up and down, and a lot of fog. So So I had to do a voice recording for this because it was way too windy on our walk back. So now we are on our way back, and this is about 20 minutes away, 10 to 20 minutes away from the new erupting volcano. This is Fagradalsfjall volcano, which erupted in March 2021, and you can see it in the background here. It's really cool because you can walk kind of on the old volcanic rocks here, and it's quite colorful as well, which is really neat.
Alright, so that turned into quite the adventure. We got back and someone realized that they left the lights on the car, so we came back. Car was dead. We melted the drone. Here is some of the remnants.
Ah, there we go. And I hurt my fingers.
Yeah, and she sliced her fingers in the process. On the other hand, the drone footage was saved. It wasn't as much as I would have liked to have gotten because it kind of melted on my test run, but I'm still happy we were lucky enough to be able to get anything at all.
Yep, so we have 3 drone batteries now for that drone.
If it still works.
If it still works. And at least we have another drone, so I'm happy we brought 2. So now we're gonna head maybe to Hot Springs if we have time, and then see how far we make it to the campsite. I don't think it's too far. We are going to be driving on some F-roads, so we'll see how that goes. It is super windy out right now. And a very nice cop helped us out there. It disappeared for a while. Search and rescue came and helped after too. So our car is now energized and ready to go. Are we energized? Not so much, but maybe with the hot spring. Maybe not with this, because we need a good night's sleep.
Yeah, so now we are back on the road and we'll see where it takes us.
Yay! Next up.
All right, so after more than one mishap with the camper van, we finally made it to our campsite. The volcano experience was absolutely amazing. We had to kind of clean ourselves off because of all the volcanic ash that was all over our faces, our clothing, our bags, everything. But we are now set up at a campsite. This campsite is, I'll put the name up here, it's hard to pronounce, Floyer? This one costs us about $35 Canadian. The currency conversion we'll also put up on screen. But the camper van is set up, so if you will show you the setup quick.
Here is our car, our Dacia Duster, and here is our sleeping tent for the night. Here we go, nice big triangle on top of the car.
And on that note, we're gonna call it quits for the night. We hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.